Welcome to the chaos. Tonight for dinner I'm making this chicken sausage thing with some tricolor rotini. And because we're under a boil order, I have to use bottled water. I'm going to toss these in the air fryer. I'm also throwing in half of an onion. I have this roasted garlic sauce. Add a little bit of water. Give it a shake, shake, shake. I also have a bell pepper. Garlic. Yeah, that seems like enough. Dear husband, because I know you are going to watch this, I am sorry that I have tricked you into eating fiber. But I am going to be adding butter beans to the pasta sauce. Please forgive me, I care about your colon. Just gonna rinse them off. I'm also dumping these into the food processor. Forgive me, husband, as colon cancer is on the rise. I would like to make sure we get enough fiber to help reduce that risk. To give it a bit of a cheesy flavor, I'm going to be adding some nutritional yeast. Okay, these need to boil. Just gonna... I know how my kids are, so I'm going to add some plain noodles to this water. Got our chicken. Debating on whether or not I should put it in there with the tortellini, and I think I'm just gonna. Also, if you're wondering why it's like two different colored pastas, one is a protein pasta and one is whole wheat. This is great because the kids don't know about the hidden veggies or the hidden beans. Thanks for watching. It is baby approved. It was not older kid approved. They told me it was too spicy, which I still can't fully comprehend.